Video will demonstrate the use of special tool camshaft holder. This tool is used to loosen or tighten the bolts of the camshaft gears and timing sprocket mounted on the camshafts. This special tool is used on the high pressure pump side of the exhaust camshaft. Using camshaft holder. Disassembly of components. Before starting the disassembly of the components, lock the crankshaft with the help of crankshaft installing tool so that all the pistons remain in the middle position of cylinder. This avoids the contact of valves and pistons and resultant damage to them during assembly. After locking the crankshaft, remove all the necessary components to gain access to the timing chain sprocket and camshaft gear bolts. Align the recess of the exhaust camshaft gear so that the mounting bolts of the special tool can be fitted properly to the camshaft housing. Install the camshaft holder on the high pressure pump side of the exhaust camshaft. Tighten the mounting bolts with the help of appropriate tools. Loosen the camshaft timing sprocket and gear bolts using appropriate tools in the sequence shown. First of all, loosen timing sprocket bolt, then loosen intake camshaft gear bolt, and at last loosen the exhaust camshaft gear bolt. Assembly of components. Before assembly of components, ensure that crankshaft is locked with the help of crankshaft installing tool. Install camshaft gears and timing sprocket to the camshafts. Install camshaft housing on the cylinder head. Refer to the service manual for details to assemble the components. Install the camshaft holder on the high pressure pump side of the exhaust camshaft. Tighten the camshaft timing sprocket and gear bolts to the specified torque using appropriate tools in the reverse sequence of removal. First of all, tighten the exhaust camshaft gear bolt. Then tighten the intake camshaft gear bolt. And at last, tighten timing chain sprocket bolt. Advantages and benefits. This tool helps in easy and proper removal and installation of the camshaft timing sprocket and camshaft gears. This saves time and avoids damage to components. This tool also helps to tighten the camshaft bolts at specified torque. This ensures trouble-free operation of the engine.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.